Hello, marketers. Welcome back. Today, we're going to learn how you can optimize your Meta Advantage shopping campaigns using the best practices. Meta ASC campaigns or the Advantage Plus shopping campaigns are the new AI driven ad campaigns launched by Meta. These campaigns help you leverage the full funnel approach, that is, you can use them for retargeting as well as finding new audience. Marketers are still struggling to find the best practices that one can follow to optimize these meta advantage shopping campaigns. Some marketers, without knowledge of these practices, have declared that meta ASC campaigns are bad and are not working. Just because they lack the skill to optimize, they blamed it. Whereas, on the other hand, there are marketers who came out upright and have said that they have seen better results compared to their standard campaigns. The reason, they understood how the meta advantage shopping campaigns work and how they need high quality first party data. So today, let's see what are these best practices that marketers have been following so far to get these results along with sending high quality first party data. So one thing I have told you, Meta ASC campaigns need high quality first party data, that is the good data, to train and learn on that and drive the optimized results for your campaigns. So I would not start with all the boring best practices that you already know, that you have been following for other campaigns as well. I will start with an amazing best practices where you will say, bam, that's the strategy I want. So here you go. Number one, optimize beyond your regular purchase conversion event. So what I mean by this is, go beyond your standard purchase event. So number one, you can go by using category wise purchase. For example, let's say you have three different categories selling on your e-commerce website. Let's say shirts, skirts and tops. Now when you're sending this purchase conversion data to Meta, you will be sending them as a purchase event. Now how will Meta know how what audience it should use to optimize, or what event data it should use to optimize the specific ad campaign of yours? Let's say you're running an ad for ad campaign for shirts, and you send the same purchase event data to Meta. Now it will try to optimize for purchase event data, and let's assume that you had more purchases of top. Now when you're optimizing your ad campaign with this purchase event data, you will not be seeing much of a results when you're for the ads that are using shirts or skirts, because you have more of top purchases. Therefore you need to split your purchase event into multiple categories, that is shirt, skirt and top. Now when you send this event data specifically, that purchase of shirt as an event to Meta, it will optimize based on that. So Meta advantage shopping campaigns will let you optimize for any custom event that you want. Initially it did not have, but now you have that option. Next, so category is clear, so you will be sending the event specific category to Meta ads and you will be optimizing it. Second, AOV based purchase event. So how will you optimize your Meta advantage shopping campaign using AOV based purchase event is, whenever you want more purchases of high AOV, then you need to send the same purchase event with high AOV to Meta. So when you send this, Meta will be able to optimize your ad campaign to get more high AOV purchase events. So that is how you will be doing. Now you can go further and use a combination of both. You can use a combination of category and high AOV. For example, shirts category with high AOV purchases. So that's the combination you can use. So if you want, generally the native platforms like Shopify, CAPI or any other native platforms don't offer you this category wise or AOV based purchase event optimization. You need to use specific tools. For example, Customer Labs 1PD Ops will let you optimize for these kind of conversion events, the category wise purchase event and AOV based purchase events, and a combination of both as well. Let's say you don't have enough conversions that you needed, that you were getting you for this purchase event. Meta Advantage Shopping campaigns will also allow you to optimize for ad payment info or initiate checkout or add to cart or add to wish list or even view content or any active event that is supported by Advantage Shopping campaigns. Now, next best practice is setting up conversions API. So basically, I have mentioned you in the beginning itself that Meta Advantage Shopping campaigns need high quality first party data or good data. So these machine learning algorithms will learn and train based on the data you pump into the ad campaign or the ad platform. So for Meta ads to optimize better, you need to set up conversions API, which will send the data on the server side without any signal loss. So when you optimize your ad campaign with the right data, it will result in lower cost per purchase. Results have shown, according to Meta, that setting up conversions API will optimize the audience targeting and it will lower the cost per result by an additional of 4%. So that's the power of conversions API combined with Meta Advantage Shopping campaigns. Next, optimize for value. So basically, whenever you are sending purchase event or audience data to Meta ads, it is better that you send the value of the conversion as well. When you send the value of conversion as well to Meta ads will be able to optimize for that value and give you better results. For example, you can use the goal as maximize conversion value, and in that you can use maximize T ROAS. And also you can use the low, cost per result target if you're using maximize conversions. So when you're optimizing for conversion value, you will be able to get high value conversions. That's an advantage of using Meta Conversions API. Sorry, that's the advantage of using value for the conversions that happen through the Meta Advantage Shopping campaigns. Next, ad creatives. Advantage Shopping campaigns is a wonderful campaign because it allows you to test more around 150 ad creatives. You can use a combination of static image, video, and catalog ads together in one single campaign to see which one works and which one does not work. Leave the testing for the algorithm. So give everything to the Meta ads Advantage Shopping campaign and let the algorithm decide which works and which does not work. It will use multiple combinations and multiple creative testings to find out which works for which audience. Next, ad budget. Basically, you need to set up a budget in such a way that you should optimize for getting 50 conversions per campaign per week. So what you have to do is, let's say you have a cost per result goal of some X amount. Divide that by 7 and multiply it by 50. That is 50 times the average cost per conversion divided by 7. So that's the budget you need to put in the beginning to get your Advantage Shopping campaigns started. Most of them are confused with what is the minimum ad budget I have to use, what is the how much budget should I put daily, how much budget should I put for this campaign. So to avoid all of that confusion and as a best practice, it is better for you to arrive at a budget based on your average cost per conversion. So one more thing, do not make any changes to the budget while the campaign is live. All the budget changes that you give in, do it before you take the Advantage Shopping campaigns live. If you change the budget once the campaign is live, it will again push the ad algorithm into learning phase, which is a not a very positive response for you. Next, budget scheduling. You will have more control over your budget during key promotional events. So basically, let's say you're running a sale during a certain period of time, you increase your budget at that point of time. You can set a start and end time for a single ad and how much budget you want to allocate. So use budget scheduling to allocate more budget on your important sales days and less budget on not so crucial sales days. One more thing is, you can split your budget into two things. One is for the retargeting and prospecting within the same campaign. So what you do is, first, before even going to budget split, go to the ad account level, use the audience controls for advantage shopping campaigns, set up UTM parameters for your existing customers and new customers. So for example, for existing customers, use first party audience data as the UTM parameter. For new customers, write new customers. So based on this, you will be splitting your budget for both existing customers and for finding new customers. You have something called budget cap. So once you give the budget and the advantage shopping campaign setup level, you have a tick checkbox on existing customer cap. So you tick that and you give 20% or 30%. So the percentage that you enter there will be used. I mean, that, for example, let's say you give 30% as the existing customer budget cap. So the campaign's budget, not more than 30% will go to the retargeting. The rest 70% is used for prospecting. So that is the best practice for you to split the budget for both retargeting and prospecting. However, based on your business goals, if you want to go completely prospecting, give the existing budget cap as zero. And if you want to, or 10% or just 5% or 1% also, or if you want to go completely retargeting, give 100% as a budget cap. So next, one campaign, one country. Basically, advantage shopping campaigns let you choose country only, and it is a best practice that you use only one country for one campaign. That is because it helps you drive more conversions. Not conversions, actually, it helps you drive the algorithm in better way to reach the people who are most likely to buy within that country. So basically, you don't have localization option with advantage shopping campaign. For example, if you want to target at the level of city, it is not possible. In that scenario, what you can do is, you can run one campaign for one country and give the audience data that you have. So it will try to find relevant audience in that neighborhood. Basically, that is because it will identify that people who have converted are residing in that neighborhood. That's how you'll be training the ad algorithm. Next, so the takeaway from one campaign, one country is, for one specific campaign of advantage shopping campaign, you should choose the location as one country only. Only then it will let Meta systems reach people who are most likely to buy. Next, placement control. At the account, basically, Meta advantage shopping campaigns will not give you any placement controls. However, you can set up this placement control at the account levels, ad account level. So some marketers think that Meta audience network gives them junk leads or junk traffic. So if you really want to exclude that particular placement, just go ahead and do it by excluding that placement at the ad account level. However, remember that this exclusion applies not just to advantage shopping campaigns, but across all the campaigns in your ad account. Next, conversion location. Meta recommends that you use website and shop instead of website and app if you have an offline store. If you have just an website, just use website. Meta recommends that selecting web and shop as a conversion location will result in better ad campaign performance. Next, A/B testing. So Meta advantage shopping campaigns offer you a scope to experiment and test how advantage shopping campaigns perform with BAU campaign, that is business as usual campaigns. So that is the best way to find out if the advantage shopping campaigns are working for you or not. So follow these best practices and test out the advantage shopping campaigns and find out if it is working for you or not. Next, this is you can see how you can give the URL parameters at the ad account level for the advantage shopping campaigns. You can see how you can choose the existing customers, how you can choose engaged audience, how you can give the URL parameters for existing customers and new customers and everything. So when you set up this URL parameters, you can also calculate in the reporting the NCAC and everything. So that will help you NCAC in the sense new customer acquisition cost. So when you give the UTM parameters here, it will be able to identify who are the new audience, and then you can calculate the acquisition cost for that audience specifically. So basically it's giving you a result of NCAC. So now when you follow all of these best practices, the results that you're gonna see is marketers, all those who have used, based on the experience of marketers who have spent $1 million on advantage shopping campaigns, they have told that ASC campaigns are a boon for us because it is completely making our job easy and relying completely on the high quality good data that we given. So the results they have seen is 4x conversion rate increase compared to the regular business as usual campaigns. They have also seen that the ad frequency and the ad fatigue is reduced very much when compared to the regular campaigns, because you are giving 150 plus ad creatives and it is using combinations and of multiple ad creatives like image, video, catalog, etc, etc, etc. They have also seen that there's 17% improvement in the cost per action or cost per CPA, and they have also seen this 32% increase in ROAS and very much lower cost per result. So all of these are the results that marketers are seeing by using good data in advantage shopping campaigns and following all the best practices that we discussed. Next, to conclude, one thing is for sure, advantage shopping campaigns are to be here for sure for a long time. They are not going to go anywhere. So use these advantage shopping campaigns in your digital marketing strategy, because it offers a holistic approach, because it is combining both retargeting and prospecting in one single campaign. Despite the initial skepticism on if they'll work or not, the results speak volumes. You have seen the results for yourself. With advantage shopping campaigns, people are seeing 4x times higher conversion rates. So while ASC campaigns might offer very less granular control over the audience targeting, the AI driven algorithms of ASC campaigns really doing a very good job. All you have to do is give the ad creatives, give better data, give good data, or give the high quality 1P data or the first party data, and it will do the job for yourself. So it all emphasizes on importance of investing in a robust first party data collection and synchronization with meta ads. Moreover, the recent updates also have popped up from Meta's side, which has given little bit of audience control on audience targeting, like raising the minimum age from 18 to or 25, which is a very good opportunity for marketers. So all of these are coming up. So the Meta ASC campaigns are evolving every single day. So be flexible to adapt to those changes and witness the efficiency of advantage shopping campaigns and optimize them by giving high quality first party data. That's the takeaway that you can take from this entire thing that we have seen so far. So by following best practices such as leveraging comprehensive ad creatives, optimizing ad budgets and scheduling the budgets, and conducting A/B testing, you can unlock immense potential that advantage shopping campaigns offer to you to maximize your ad campaign performance and drive meaningful results. And remember, don't go by what I am saying. A/B test and find out what works for you. Experiment and thrive with ASC. It gives you an opportunity to experiment. So experiment and see what works for you and what does not work. Thank you. So these are some of the frequently asked questions I have come across from marketers. So number one, how to scale advantage shopping campaign. So basically, start small. Start with budget that is relevant, that is required to get 50 conversions per campaign per week, and slowly, gradually, you have to scale your campaign once you find that campaign is working. Don't put in too much budget and spoil, you waste down putting the entire budget down the drain. So scale it slowly. So set up your campaign. Once you see it's performing, gradually you'll scale the advantage shopping campaign. That's how you'll be seeing better results. Next, number two, what is the difference between ASC campaign and manual sales campaign? The prime difference is nothing but you're leveraging the advanced AI driven machine learning algorithms to find better results for you. So manual sales campaign, you have to do everything. You have to understand and analyze which target audience will convert, who are the audience that will convert. You have to select the interests of the audience. You have to go by either interests or location. You have to choose the audience's age group, demographics, etc. It's a very too much work, I would say, with the manual sales campaign. Whereas with ASC, all you have to do is give the creatives and give the data and leave the algorithm for itself to optimize and find the right audience to get to your conversion to get to your conversions to sorry to get converted. So that is basically bring in more purchases, bring in more conversions by just giving good data and giving very good ad creatives. Now, next, number three, is advantage plus shopping campaign good? Yeah, it is a good campaign because marketers have been seeing good results provided you follow all the best practices that we just discussed in this video and you give high quality good data to ASC campaign. If you are giving bad data, you will be seeing bad results, so your ad spend will be wasted if you don't give the right data that is needed for advantage shopping campaigns. Next, what is the benefit of using ASC campaign? The primary benefit would be you would be saving a lot of time, a lot of time. Next, you will be seeing better results because the algorithm is far better because it's already learning, it's already trained, and it'll obviously try to optimize for the goal that you set up. So you'll be seeing better results. That's one of the prime benefit I would see from using advantage shopping campaigns. So that's it. Thank you. That's it from my side. If you have any questions or any queries, leave them in the comment below, or you can also join Custom Labs community at community.customerlabs.com and ask all your queries, any doubts related to first party data, related to advantage shopping campaigns, related to performance max campaigns, or any other media buying thing, or any query related to first party data. We'll be happy to help you out. It's a very free engaging platform where you can happily put your thoughts and doubts out and get answers for your queries. So thank you. I'll be leaving resources, some resources which you might need in the description below. Find out and let me know. Thank you. Bye.